Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it feels so weird to say. I don't want to make this a big deal, but obviously I took over a 2-month break, but I am finally in the place where I feel like I'm ready to start making videos again. I don't really have too much to say in regards to the topic. I was just in a place where I really needed to shut myself off from all my distractions and from content and social media. I had a lot going on in my just self-discovery, but I'm feeling a lot better and I'm excited to be back. But yeah, anyway, it is Friday. It is Victoria Day long weekend and it's 5 o'clock right now, 5:10 to be exact. I just got to like a local civic field, like a recreation center, and I'm waiting for Rochelle currently, which is my best friend if you guys don't know, and we're gonna do an outdoor workout, kicking off the long weekend on a high. And honestly, this vlog too, here's your sign: go move your body. You will thank yourself after. I'm gonna track her and see where she is currently. I didn't think she lives that far. Here's the view. This is super nostalgic for me. I used to do my elementary school track and field meets here, so this is really bringing me back and making me feel old at the same time, but also healing my inner child. So I'm really happy right now. Anyway, I don't know how much of my workout I'll show you guys, probably just like a time lapse, but I'll have maybe what we do on the screen or in the comments if you guys like want to do it or something. I don't know. I'll see you guys on the sweaty side. Try to fit under. I feel on top of the world. 6:37 on a Friday night, and truly nothing else I would have rather been doing. This is 24. It was so good though. As a warm-up, we did our lap around the track, which is so nostalgic because, fun fact about me, back in elementary school, I would win the 400-meter track, like whatever the meet, every year, and I would always go to like OFSA and I would make top 3 and then go on to the next round. So it was truly healing my inner child doing that. And then we did an EMOM circuit of 5 different exercises. Firstly, it was skipping. Then we did like single leg reverse lunges with a leg raise and press. And then we did plank rows, like single arm plank rows, weighted like squats and then into a half burpee. And then we did Russian twists. And then we finished by doing a burner on the stairs for 5 minutes, just running straight up and down, which is so much harder than it looked. Like we were actually dying. And we were contemplating doing it for 10 minutes. Thank God we didn't. We actually would have been dying. But yeah, going back home now. We're separating. I'm gonna eat dinner, shower, all that, and then she's coming back over and we're gonna have like a little girls' night, fire, make some cookies. A few of our other girlfriends are coming over, so it's gonna be super fun. Just a wholesome Friday night. Everything I want. Hi guys, I was so bad at vlogging. I just like completely forgot I was doing it. I didn't get any footage with my friends, but that is fine. I would rather that anyway, so I could be present in the moment, but I'm just getting ready for bed now. This was my comfy outfit. We just like ended up hanging out in my house and just like chilled. We made cookies. It's kind of raining right now, so we didn't end up doing a fire. I'm about to set the mood and turn on my red light. And I'm about to take my magnesium. I've been taking this. I'm going to show you guys like more supplements in the morning, but I've been taking this every single night. I get it from Healthy Planet. I implemented this last week and I've actually noticed such a difference Oh, I wasn't talking to you. Anyway, as I was trying to say, I got this on Sunday and I've been taking it all this week, and I've noticed such a difference in my sleep quality. There's a few different types of magnesium. They all have different benefits. But this is the magnesium bisglycinate, I think is how you say it. I take 2 of these every night, kind of right before bed. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update. Keep it over there. It's kind of hidden a bit. Then once I've done my skincare, I'm going to do my 5-minute journal, and I'm going to write in my journal, which is something new that I've been doing, and I just love the way it makes me feel. It's something that, like a healthy habit that I wanted to implement this year, and I'm really happy that I did. I'm going to sign off for the night, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Look how delicious this looks. I actually have this. This is my breakfast obsession these days. It's Greek yogurt, raspberries, apples, bananas, coconut flakes, cocoa nibs, walnuts, and peanut butter. It is, oh my gosh, it's so good. You guys need to try it. And look how cute this little coconut bowl is. My friends got it for me in Vietnam when they were there a few months ago. I like to put my yogurt in it. It's really cute. Just made my honey oat latte, and I'm gonna sit and watch some YouTube videos for a bit. Look at how cute this mug is. My friends and I did pottery painting a few weeks ago, and I did like a little cherry mug. I'm obsessed with it. I'll show you guys the recipe for this tomorrow morning. I just didn't feel like doing it right now, to be honest. Look at this angel. Hi, Prit. I just got out of the shower and I put on this Ole Henriksen cold plunge pore mask. It reminds me of the Spox. It's like eucalyptus vibes, and it feels so good on my skin. But I just washed my hair. I didn't really need to, but I got a new Dyson Airwrap. It arrived at my house yesterday. I was gonna unbox it with you guys, but I was in a rush and I just like wanted to open it up and look at it. But my Airwrap that I bought in August 2021 broke mid-hair 3 weeks ago. I had my hair on the curler and it just made a really loud suction noise and then just stopped working. And when I did turn it on, it makes like a low bright vibration ringing noise. So I contacted their customer service, and after 2 disputes, the first person had no idea what they were doing. They sent me a brand new version of the Airwrap, which is amazing. And if you were just looking for another reason why Dyson is amazing and why I personally think the Airwrap is like so worth the investment, is I got a brand new version for 0 cost, and I'm just very, very satisfied. I ended up getting a different color, so let's unbox it. My friend Maria has the newer one too, and she says it's so much better than the old one that we had, so I'm excited to use it. I went for the blue copper color. I was gonna get the pink again, but I want to switch it up, and I'm just obsessed with the blue. It is so nice. So yeah, basically I'm gonna use it today and try it out. I got the long version too, which I'm really excited about because my hair has grown so much. Like when I got my Airwrap, my hair was like up to here, and now it's like almost down to my butt. Look how nice this color is. I was gonna get this one or the purple, but I'm really happy that I got this one. I don't know what this is. Like I'm really confused. Is this the regular blow dryer attachment? Like what's going on? But I'm excited about these styling ones. Oh, these are so much longer than my other ones. I'm excited. There's just one per size, and then you switch the direction of it, which is so cool. So I'm excited about this. Super, super excited. Okay, I watched a video and figured it out. Also, if you guys are wondering, this is the face mask that I just put on. You actually have to try because it's amazing. It's my favorite face mask ever. Anyway, if you guys are wondering what I put in my hair before I style it, I always use the Way leave-in conditioner. This is like a little mini size that I got for my birthday gift from Sephora. And then I also use this IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. My friend Maria put me on this. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. I know I technically like don't have to use both because they both have heat protectant in it, but that's just what I like to do. I find this one like really smooths everything. And then I'll put in this Kerastase hair oil after. I've had this for so long, probably like over 2 years now, and I am on the last stretch, so I'm gonna need to get a new one soon. Guys, it is 9:30 the next morning, and I'm gonna show you how I make my honey oat latte. I've been obsessed with this specific drink for the past few weeks, and you guys need to try it. So I'm gonna show you how I make it. I'm gonna use my Nespresso frother. I use it every day, and I'm just gonna fill it up that much. Secret ingredient, well, not really because it's in the name, but I add honey into my milk when I froth it. I just kind of eyeball it, whatever I feel like, and this gives it such a sweet taste. It's so amazing. And then coffee, I put some cinnamon in the cup before I brew the espresso. I'm using my Dolce double shot. This is my new favorite. Just combine everything after, obviously. And voila, it is so good. You guys need to try it and let me know in the comments how you like it. Like I said, it's my obsession right now, and I literally have it every single morning, which says a lot because I am very, very picky about my coffee, and I've like perfected my little recipe, but this is the new fave. But anyway, good morning. Like I said, it's just after 9:30. I woke up, I took off the sheets from my bed, put them in the laundry, and made a smoothie for breakfast, and then I sat outside and read my book. I've been in my nonfiction grind right now. I'm currently reading Attached. I picked this up a few months ago. I really enjoyed the first half of it, but it's been taking me a while to get through the rest of it just because I find not really relevant, because the second part is more targeted towards people who do have avoidant or anxious attachment style, which I don't have. So I'm just trying to get through this today. I just got back from the grocery store, forgot my vlog camera at home, which is so annoying, but I thought I would do a haul for you guys of what I got. So first I went to Healthy Planet and got a restock of my oat milk. I usually stock up on these weekly depending on how many I buy. I go through like 2 to 3 a week, just depending on how much I use it, obviously, but I use it in my coffee and my matcha. So sometimes I just go through them fast, so I grabbed more. And it's the Elmhurst Oat Barista Edition. This is like the cleanest oat milk that froths well that I could find. Like I said, I went to the grocery store. I've been in my cooking element. I meal prep weekly for my lunches Monday to Friday. just because I am working full time. And I also just got a few things for dinner tonight. I don't know if I said it in this vlog, but my parents are gone for the weekend, so like I cooked dinner for my brothers and I last night, and I'm gonna do the same tonight. But I got more bananas, some whole wheat tortillas. I'm gonna make shrimp tacos tonight. So then I got 2 things of coleslaw for the tacos, zucchini, 2 oranges, 2 apples, blueberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt. I like to get the Sig's one if it's on sale, and it was so good. Plain guacamole just for the tacos. I was gonna buy avocados and make it, but that was just a lot of effort, and I'm just gonna like use it as a base on the tacos. So I just bought the little pre-made pack. Yogurt based tzatziki for my meal prep, more red pepper hummus, a cucumber, and then 2 packs of minced turkey for my meal prep. I'm making Greek meatball bowl. It's gonna be really, really delicious with like rice and then like little turkey balls. I'm really excited for it. I'm going to link the recipe that I follow down below if you guys are interested. I've been having so much fun trying different recipes every week. But yeah, that is everything that I got. Hi, it is 6:45 hours later. I just made my tea. It's called Refresh Mint by Tazo. It's like peppermint spearmint. I really wanted to do a closet clean out today, but that is not happening, so maybe I'll do that in the next vlog. Speaking of, if you guys have any video suggestions or like content ideas that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I believe I got a decent amount of content this weekend, and I just like slowly want to ease myself back into making videos. I'm not really doing much for the rest of the night. I'm gonna lay in bed and probably watch a movie or a TV show. I haven't decided yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. I will see you guys in my next video.